Hello, everybody, and welcome back. Good morning. We are on level 5. Okay, so this is the assessment level. All right, so you know how this works. I will read the directions. We'll look at a couple of tips or tricks if I can see them. We'll go over the rubric, but then you are on your own. All right. So it says make it fit. The food is way too big to fit on the plate. Use your knowledge of sprite properties to make it fit. Do this. Run the program to see how big the food is. Use sprite properties to scale all of the food sprites down so they fit on the plate. All right. So, if we run it, this is what we have right now. This is what you need to have. So everything needs to fit on the plate. I can't show you how to do it, but we can go look at the rubric and see what it is they're asking you to do. So it says no evidence. The code is either the same or has been changed in ways unrelated to the assignment. So that gives you a 0. We don't want that. Limited evidence. The sprites have been resized but are still too large to fit inside the circle. All right. Convincing evidence. So let's close this. The sprites have been resized to fit inside the circle. There may be some slight differences between the student's work and the provided example. So you really do have to eyeball the sample image and try to make it as close to that as possible. Last but not least, extensive evidence. The arrangement of sprites is identical to the example provided in the instructions. All right, so you got to take your time, make sure it looks exactly like this picture right here, which you can do. I have absolute faith in you. And that'll get you the 100. So good luck, and I will see you on the next level.